Good morning. Today's August the 20th, 2020, and we are Thursday. So let's start with our morning meeting. What's your mood today? Are y'all feeling excited, sad, happy, or surprised? I'm always feeling excited. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. So let's learn the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and everybody's favorites are Saturday and Sunday. So today we are Thursday, and yesterday was Wednesday. Very good. And tomorrow is Friday. Good. Days of the week and the date. So yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. And tomorrow will be Friday. The date is the 20th of August 2020 or August 20th, 2020. The weather today is hot. And the season, even though we're in school already, but August is still considered summertime. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we're August, and it's still, like I said, summertime. But next month we're going to be September, and it'll be fall. Always remember, stay active. Ride your bike, your scooter, walk your dog, skateboard, roller skate, play ball, dance, just take a walk, anything, just stay active. Today's agenda. Today is Thursday, so we will be doing we're going to do your IEPs goals. So that's what we will be doing today. But on certain days, we do English, math, science, social studies. Life skill lessons for this week was brush your teeth. And you all saw the videos on them. Today, Thursday, and Friday, you'll be answering some questions about brushing your teeth. If you need to contact any of your teachers, you can email Ms. Jennifer Castañeda, Brianda Martinez, Jonathan Guzman, or Ileana de la Garza. Remember, if you need anyone, Ms. Castañeda, Ms. Martinez, Mr. Guzman, or myself, Ms. de la Garza, you can just email us or you can call me. Thank you.